Okay? Are we good?
Yes.
How do you greet?
Bonjour.
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 Bonjour, Monsieur Kofi. Continue your greeting again.
Bonjour, Monsieur Kofi.
Bonjour. Ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Merci, ça va. Okay, today we are going to look at a topic, la famille. Is a good topic. Is what? La famille. La famille. So who can tell us what's la famille? Wait.
A family is...
La famille means what?
La famille means a family.
La famille means the family. La famille means what? The family. Now if I say une famille is what? A family. But la famille is what? The family. Now we're going to just be based on our level. So I define family as group of people related by what? Blood
Or
marriage. And you're living together. Okay, so in French we say définition. Say définition. Définition. Now, definition means what? Definition. It means what? Definition. Now, if you cannot write when I'm talking, that is what I say. You fold your hands. Fold your hands so that you can listen and pay attention. Okay, so we are going to be doing une famille est un groupe de personnes reliées par le sang ou par mariage. Okay? It's a group of people related what? By blood or marriage. Good. Now, nous avons deux types de mariage. C'est deux types. Deux types de famille. Deux types de famille. Now, there are what? La famille nucléaire. That's what? The nuclear family. La famille étendue. Étendue is what? Extended. So, we are working with la famille nucléaire. La famille nucléaire, c'est la famille nucléaire. La famille nucléaire. Alright. I have this composition. Composition is the formation, is the people in that family. Okay? So what do we have? We have le père. C'est le père. Le père. That's what?
The father.
La mère.
The man.
La mère is what?
The mother.
The mother. Now, the third person in the family, the nuclear family, which is famille nucléaire, is what? Les enfants. C'est les enfants. Les enfants. Who are the les enfants? Les enfants are the children. Les enfants. So, under the children, which we call les enfants, we have le fils. C'est le fils. Le fils. That's what? The son. That is the son of the family. So we have la fille. So it is not la fille or la fille. The double L is not L, but is what? E. Say E. Yeah. La fille. Alright, remember I told us also that la fille is what?
The daughter.
Is the daughter. And I also said that la fille is the girl. So the word la fille is used for what? The daughter. And it's used for what? The girl. So la fille, repeat that again. La fille. Good. Now we have the next one. Le frère. Frère. La sœur. Frère. La fille. Le fils. That's what? La famille nucléaire. La famille nucléaire. Alright, now we have the B part. which is la famille étendue. Everybody say la famille étendue. Say étendue.
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 La famille étendue.
La famille étendue.
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 Good. Now, if you look at the nuclear and the extended family, the names we have here are not the name we have here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that means this one extend our hands to what? To the other members of the family. Good. So, this is an example. Okay, these are examples of the famille étendue. Okay, so the person at the front here is what? Le grand-père. Le grand-père. Now you can make it form, you can say grandpapa. You can say what? Grandpapa. That's granddaddy. Grandmama. Grandmommy. Okay? That's grandmother. So we have le grand-père. C'est le grand-père.
Le grand-père.
La grand-mère.
La grand-mère.
L'oncle.
L'oncle.
Who is l'oncle?
The uncle.
That is the uncle. It can be your mother's brother. It can be your father's brother. Good. We have la tante.
La tante.
La tante.
La tante.
That's what the aunt. The aunt. Yes, the aunt. Please, it's not the ants that will bite you, okay? It's what? Your teacher, your uncle, your aunties, sisters. They are what? Lactants. They are what? Lactants. Alright, I want to explain here quickly. We have le neveu. Le neveu is the niece, the niece, the niece. Le neveu, c'est le neveu.
Le neveu.
Le neveu.
Le neveu.
La nièce.
La nièce.
La nièce.
La nièce.
That's what?
La
La
nièce.
niece. Now, this part, the last part we have here is what? Le cousin and what? La cousine. Le cousin and what?
La cousine.
Why do we have le cousin and la cousine? La cousine. We have here